part 3 of Letters in Auslan. If you haven't already watched part 1 and part 2, here's the link. Thank you. In this video, I'll be showing you how to sign letters K, L, M, N, and O. As always, I'll do it 2 times, and the 3rd time we'll practice it together. Are you ready? Oh, I almost forgot an important detail. Please take note. Your finger placement and your hand position are very important because they could easily be into another word. So let's jump into it. This is letter K, this is letter L, this is letter M, this is N, and this is O. Mom, can you please come closer so they can see?
Sure.
This is letter K, this is letter L, this is letter M, this is letter N, and this is letter O. This is the last time. This is the time we practice together. This is letter K, this is letter L, this is letter M, this is letter N, and this is letter O. Feel free to rewind it so you can really see the finger placement and hand position. See you next time.